Hey there! Have you ever wondered how YouTube knows exactly what video to recommend next? Or how your phone's face unlock seems to just magically work? Well, spoiler alert, it's all thanks to something called machine learning, or ML for short. And if you think it's just for computer nerds, think again. Machine learning is running your life right now, even if you've never written a single line of code. So what is machine learning really? Imagine teaching your dog a new trick. Instead of giving it a step-by-step manual, you reward it when it does the right thing, and eventually, it learns what you want. That's basically how ML works, but with data instead of dog treats. It's a branch of artificial intelligence that lets computers learn from experience and improve themselves, all without being told exactly what to do. Now let's get real. ML is everywhere. Every time you open your email and see spam go straight to the spam folder, that's ML quietly keeping your inbox clean. Scroll through Netflix or YouTube. ML is analyzing what you watch, then suggesting shows or videos you'll probably love. Even when you ask Siri or Alexa to set a timer, ML is working in the background to understand your voice, accents, slang, and all. And it doesn't stop there. Ever shopped online and wondered how the perfect pair of sneakers just shows up in your recommended feed? Yep, that's ML. Or used Google Maps and noticed it predicts traffic jams and finds a quicker route home? That's right, machine learning again. Even your bank uses ML to sniff out sketchy transactions and keep your money safe. So, how do people actually build these magical ML systems? They use a bunch of powerful tools. If you're just starting out, Scikit-learn is awesome for beginners and classic ML stuff. Want to get fancy with deep learning? TensorFlow and PyTorch are the big names. Keras makes building neural networks a breeze, while XGBoost is the secret weapon for crunching numbers in tables. And if coding isn't your thing, platforms like RapidMiner let you build models with simple drag and drop. For the pros, tools like Amazon SageMaker and Google Vertex AI handle the heavy lifting, from training to deploying your models in the cloud. Okay, maybe you're thinking, this sounds cool, but where do I even start? Good news, you don't need to be a genius or have a PhD. There are tons of awesome learning platforms. Coursera has a legendary ML course from Andrew Ng. edX brings you lessons straight from MIT and Harvard. Udemy is packed with hands-on tutorials, and Kaggle lets you dive into real-world data and competitions. If you like learning by doing, check out Fast.ai, and for interactive lessons, DataCamp is your friend. Even Google has a free crash course to kick things off. But here's the big picture. Machine learning is the engine that powers modern AI. It's how chatbots actually understand what you're saying, how your phone recognizes your face, and how robots and self-driving cars can make split-second decisions on the road. Without ML, most of this stuff would still be science fiction. So next time you unlock your phone, get a spot-on movie suggestion, or breeze through traffic with Google Maps, remember, machine learning is quietly working behind the scenes, making your life smarter, safer, and a whole lot more fun. And hey, if you want to be part of the magic, now you know where to start. Thanks for hanging out. If you learned something new, hit that like button, and let's keep exploring the awesome world of technology together.